I can phone a monster.
And I'm Leifram. And this is Torin. Hello!
And we're making these.
And this is what the foaming monster looks like. I've got mine too.
I got mine too. There's baking soda, vinegar, tissues in this bottle.
I know you're wondering why we're using tissues, but it's on our experiment book. Snow still has the cap on, so we're gonna take it off.
First we do this. Eat.
When acids make with alkalis, they make new chemicals. And our monsters are gonna make new chemicals and explode out of their mouths. We're mixing baking soda and vinegar. It's very heavy. And when you mix vinegar and baking soda, they make a gas. And what is it called again? It's called carbon dioxide. And these monsters are going to explode with carbon dioxide.
Wet.
Place the funnel on the bottom.
And vinegar. Add a straw of dishwashing water. What is it called again? Liquid. Now we put the food color in it.
Now we're gonna add the food coloring!
Let's put the baking soda in this tissue.
Yeah! Now let's wrap it up like a present.
Cover it in.
Yay! It's gonna be my turn. Torin is gonna go do his next.
Oh,
Okay?
what do you mean? A bubble.
Bubble!
I love it.
Add vinegar. We're gonna add this vinegar, which is so heavy. Let's use this. We're gonna add this dish soap. Let's go, dish soap. Food coloring. Now add baking soda. Wrap up like a present. going to explode like the last two ones.
Yeah, with me and Tom.
Let's do this thing!
Theo.
First we had the vinegar.
Yeah.
Have the baking soda. I'm not doing a tissue, so this could make things a little trickier and explode it fast. Let's dump in. It's exploding, guys! Wait!
It's gonna explode.
This is gonna make things very fun.
Yes.
Look out! I want it to be just like a real foaming monster.
Monster.
Monster, yeah.
Monster. Yeah. Man.
Thanks for watching this video. And after you do this, make sure you wash your hands. If you want to watch more of my videos, just search for my name, Leifram.
F-I-N-N-O-V-E.